in the heart of the industrial valley, where tradition meets precision.
Where the journey from raw hide to a luxury travel bag begins.
This is not just a factory. It is a fortress of craftsmanship.
Welcome inside the Lion Leather Factory.
Imperfections are marked. There is no room for error here.
It starts with the selection. Only the top 1% of hides make the cut.
We look for strength. We look for character.
Limbing comes next, a crucial chemical dance.
Once chosen, the transformation begins.
Temperature is key. Even 1 degree off can ruin the batch.
The first step is the purge. The hides enter the massive wooden drums. We wash away all the history of the wild, preparing a clean canvas.
We use a blend of natural vegetable tannins.
They rest now, neutralized and ready for the magic of tanning.
Bark extracts, chestnut, and mimosa, an ancient recipe.
Without this, the bag would crack. With it, it lasts a lifetime.
We reintroduce oils. Fat liquoring makes it supple.
Close up, leather rippling and softening as it moves through the machine. Soft to the touch, yet hard as iron in durability.
Staking machine, mechanical pins massaging the leather to soften it. The staking machine massages the fibers, breaking the stiffness.
Skiving. We thin the edges to ensure smooth, non-bulky seams. Each puncture is permanent. There is no undo button.
a soft interior for a rugged exterior.
The corners are the test of a true artisan.
From a raw, rugged hide.
Built to hold, built to last.
Panning shot showing the texture, the stitching, and the brass hardware details to a masterpiece of engineering and art.
We give the bag its final form.
This is not just a bag. It is a legacy.
Built for the journey. Carry the strength of the lion.